welcome back to our channel.
Yay! After so many years, we are sorry for the long break we had. I am Teresa,
And I'm Samantha.
and today we are going to do the
Chikni challenge.
Here's our all-time favorite chikni, and today we are going to do chikni for 5 minutes. Here we are going to start with it. So here let's start with the first round, and I think it's going to be the first round only. And another video will be with challenges. Please send us what kind of chikni actions do you want, so we can go for it. Yeah? We'll try not to cover our face. Can't promise. So what were you doing all this while, Samantha?
Nothing.
I hope you all are safe from this. After so long. Oh God. Hope you guys are enjoying. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to this channel. I think I'm done. What about you? I think that's about it, guys. Hope you like the video. Please leave us a comment, and we will do the next video very soon, as much as you like. Please give us your requests, and we will definitely get back to you. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.